Healthy low-carb, low-fat, high-protein pizza. Healthy pizza. Low in carbs, low in fat, rich in protein. Most people love falling into the pizza with additional extras from time to time. But what if you are on a weight loss, fat loss diet? Are you cutting all your favorite foods together? Or do you find an alternative? Here is a healthy alternative to fatty pizza that you can eat several times during your diet. What will you need? Chicken breast, tomato paste, pepper, olive, spinach, onion, cheese, mushroom, sweet corn, oregano or mixed Italian herbs, garlic powder or crushed garlic. You can add other favorite ingredients as well, but keep that in mind if you are on a diet, as you can add all of these additions. Put healthy pizza together. Wash and soften chicken breast first. Place the chicken breast on a flat surface and cover it with an adhesive film. Take something heavy, a chair leg, a Bible, a shoe, but the roller will be perfect. Gently beat the chicken until it is about 1 centimeter thick everywhere. Be careful not to damage the chicken breast too much, as this serves as the basis for the pizza. Put a good portion of tomato paste in a bowl and mix garlic powder or crushed garlic as desired. If you are not a fan of garlic, you can skip the garlic. This is not necessary, but it will add flavor. Return to the chicken breast. I find this method works best if you use the bottom of the chicken breast, i.e., not the smooth side. Spread the tomato paste with flat chicken breasts on one surface, smooth side down, evenly over the entire surface, and put in the refrigerator while preparing the rest of the ingredients. This gives the chicken breast an opportunity to absorb some taste. Cut peppers, olives, onions, mushrooms, and cut spinach into small pieces. Take the chicken breasts you made in front of the refrigerator and sprinkle them with thyme or Italian spices, which gives them a taste of pizza. Layer on the rubber. I think it is better to put spinach first and then pepper. Then the rest of the cover in any order. Sprinkle grated, low-fat cheese, filling the filling together. You can put a small layer of cheese after spinach and pepper, but know how much cheese you eat. Bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 30 to 35 minutes or until the chicken is tender through. Make sure to cook the chicken breast before serving. I will serve it with a French fries jacket if you are not carb conscious, but if served alone it is low in fat, low in carbohydrates, and rich in protein. Enjoy! As always, I appreciate the notes on how these recipes work for you. Let me know how it goes.